The Volvo P1800 is widely regarded as the most iconic Volvo ever built. Launched in 1961, the P1800 coupe became a symbol of Swedish elegance and durability. Famously driven by Roger Moore in the TV series The Saint, which cemented its status in pop culture. The car was celebrated not just for its stylish design, combining with sporty looks and with classic European flair, but also for its reliability. In fact, one P1800 holds the Guinness Book World Record for the highest recorded mileage of any car, clocking over 3 million miles. With its timeless design, robust engineering and cultural significance, the P1800 is often credited with evaluating Volvo's reputation from a maker of practical, safe cars to one associated with style and performance as well. The Volvo's P1800's reputation for reliability comes down to a combination of durable engineering, simple design and high-quality components. Here is why it stands out. Number 1. Robust engine design. The P1800's B18 and later B20 engines are amongst Volvo's most reliable engines. These inline-4 engines were built with durability in mind, using high-quality materials and a simple, straightforward design that minimized points of failure. With regular maintenance, these engines could easily last hundreds of thousands of miles. Point 2. Minimal electronics. Unlike modern cars, the P1800 was built with limited electronics, which means fewer things could go wrong. The simpler analog nature of the car made it easier for owners to maintain, which contributed to its longevity. Point 3. Quality materials. Volvo invested in high-grade steel for the P1800, which helped the body resist rust and structural wear. This was key to preserving the car's longevity, especially in colder climates where rust can be a significant issue. 4. Easy maintenance and access. The P1800's engine bay was designed with accessibility in mind, allowing for easier maintenance. Many owners were able to perform basic repairs themselves, contributing to the car's reputation for reliability. Point 5. Solid build quality. Volvo has long prioritized safety and structural integrity, even in the P1800's era. This focus on strong construction meant the car could handle rougher conditions without significant wear. Point 6. Owner dedication. Part of the P1800's reputation for reliability comes from the dedication of its owners. Many P1800 owners have been meticulously about regular maintenance, understanding that consistent care extends the life of the car. So the combination of design philosophy, material quality and a commitment to simple solid engineering made the P1800 car a car that was fun, reliable to use for decades and a reputation that was enforced by Gordon's famous 3 million mile. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. If so, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with future videos. Have a great weekend.